Hello everyone, very good morning. Welcome back to another video. I'm in Delhi. I came here like 2 days back, and many of my Delhi brothers were asking me to come and meet up my bikers friends, my brothers actually. So I thought of making a vlog out of it, some new content, and would like to show you a day in the life of a Delhi biker, a stunt rider as well. There will be many bikers coming up. So there's a very popular road called as Gurgaon Faridabad Road, and that's a hub for bikers in Delhi. There are a lot of good cafes where we come and we catch up, and we have good cold coffee, omelets, and many other dishes are there. And I think I've already covered this. I mean, Gaurav sir have already covered this in his vlog. So I thought of introducing this to my viewers as well. So I'll just show you a day in the life of a Delhi biker. Come, just join me. Welcome back. So finally I've taken some cinematic shot of all the bikes here. You must have seen H2, H2R and many other bikes were there. Many of my friends were also there. I will show you a quick walk around of the bikes here. Okay, here you go. And guys, I'm introducing you Vishal. People who have been following me on Instagram, they know him very properly. He's one of my best photographer. So 90% of my pictures are being clicked by my friend Vishal Tyagi. I request you to please kindly go and follow his Instagram page.
Immature Photographer 001.
Immature Photographer 001. I'll be tagging his profile on my bio. Guys, I introduce you to a very beautiful couple here. He's Sachin Chetan. Introduce yourself. She's a very famous girl.
Oh, famous. I'm Rider Next.
Okay, so she's Rider Next. She have a YouTube channel. She makes great content of biking video. You guys please go and check it out. I'll be sharing a link on my, what we say, bio, right? On my bio, yeah. So just follow her, and I'll also tag her Instagram. So kindly follow her, give her some support, give her some thumbs up also. And he's also a great, amazing rider. He rides an RC8, and we all have learned from him. So give him some love as well. I'll be also tagging his profile also. So that's all about it. And I'll just give you a quick turn about the Turtle Cafe. So I request you, everyone who have been in Delhi, just come here, have some good time, come with your friends. It's a very amazing cafe. Guys, he is Abhijit Biswas. He's one of my closest friend here. So जब भी मैं दिल्ली आता हूँ, he is always there to meet me up. So it really, you feel really good when you meet your old friends, you know. So it's one of my favorite place in Delhi. Whenever I get time, I mostly come here, take my bike, and now my bike is in Bangalore. So I'm riding with Gorton Bikers Group. a biggest group of Bangalore actually, and just having a great time here. So I'm missing my Busa because this is the road where I mostly do my wheelies, and the people who have been following me on Instagram can see that. So I have one suggestion, one request to everyone. We have been into the stunting industry for a very long time, and many people say it's really unsafe. Yes, it is unsafe, but we have been practicing this for a very long time. So people say doing stunting on a public road is really not, permittable. But I make sure I have my whole team. So before I pop a wheelie, there are a bunch of my biker friends who are next to me, and they point me like if it is safe to do now, if it is not safe. So they always point me. So that's how I actually do it. And apart from that, we don't really have good roads to do stunting and all. So be safe. Stunting is a good sport, but India mein nobody gives any value for the same. So I request you, kindly wear your proper safety gears. If you really want to do it in a proper safe environment. So if people have been following me, they have been asking me, Bhaiya, how do you do your wheelie and everything. So it's years and years of practice. And make sure if you want to do stunting, go to a proper stunt riding group. Register yourself to them and find a safe road and start practicing. Practice is the only key. So finally we are done with the ride, Sunday morning ride. I have showed you all my biker friends, and we had a great time in Throttle Shuttle Cafe. People who are from Delhi and would like to come and meet me every Sunday, if I'm in Delhi, I'm always here. I always come to meet my friends. So it was a great day. I hope you all enjoyed. We are going back home now, and I request you everyone to kindly wear your safety gears. I have done a wheelie, so I'm very used to that bike, I'm very used to that road. I was wearing a helmet, I'm not even was wearing a jacket, but it's just like, I'm not saying I'm a professional rider, nothing can happen to me, I'm not saying that, but I just did it just to show you people, just to entertain you people. Please don't try this. We have been practicing this for a very long time, but if you really want to get into stunting and all, I request you, as I mentioned earlier on my other video, I mean just a couple of minutes back only, I've just stated that if you really want to do stunting, join a stunting group. They are licensed people, they have approval from the government, they have a proper secure area where they go and practice stunting. So I request you all to contact them and start learning with them, wear proper good safety gears, and you start performing it. These roads are not the place where you can do this, and this is not recommended. When I was doing this, my whole team was standing with me, and when they gave me a thumbs up, then only I did it. So still it's not a good thing to do on public roads, so try avoiding it. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this, and if you like this vlog, please kindly reach me on Instagram, and please come up with some more suggestion how to improve my videos. So I'm just learning, I'm hesitating to talk in front of camera, I'm not used to it, I'm just practicing it. So please kindly give me some suggestion, please keep supporting me, show me some love. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.